Model, 2011 Volkswagen Caddy Maxi C20 diesel 1.6 TDI 102PS van, very clean van. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 198,966. MOT, 7 February 2024. Engine, 1,598 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Has a slight grind in 4th and 5th gear. Gearbox will need repairing or replacing, really simple repair for the right person. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Ex-British gas van. Features: air con, parking sensors, electric windows.